अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं इस्लामाबाद, जहां जाम कमाल खान तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
I would like to touch upon the trade with some of the member states of the SCO. Belarus, the bilateral trade volume between Pakistan and Belarus in 2023-24 total 34 million, with Pakistan's imports from Belarus amounting to 34 million. China, we have a free trade agreement with China, which is operational since 2006. Our bilateral trade has grown to nearly $14 billion in 23-24, with exports standing at $2.6 billion and imports at $11 billion. With Iran, the total trade between Pakistan and Iran is 2024 amounted to 880 million. Pakistan and Iran have signed a preferential trade agreement to boost bilateral trade. When it comes to Kazakhstan, the bilateral trade between Pakistan and Kazakhstan in 2023-24 totaled to 138 million. Currently, both countries are in negotiations to establish a Pakistan-Kazakhstan transit trade agreement. With Kyrgyzstan, the bilateral trade between Pakistan and Kyrgyzstan in 23-24 amounted to 11 million only. The total trade between Russia and Pakistan remained at $925 million in year 23-24. With Uzbekistan, Pakistan and Uzbekistan share a long history of political and economic relations. The total trade between the two countries in 23-24 reached to $126 million. Notably, Pakistan and Uzbekistan have signed a transit trade to facilitate trade flows between the two nations. Tajikistan, turning to Pakistan's trade, the total value stood to 24 million in 23-24. Pakistan and Tajikistan have signed a transit trade agreement to streamline trade flows and enhance economic relations. We envision a robust and interconnected SCO region with trade flows seemingly across borders. I would also like to mention over here, due to certain reasons, no trade happening at the moment with some of our neighboring countries. Businesses thrive and where innovation and entrepreneurship are nurtured within the national laws and policies of the member states. Looking ahead, Pakistan is keen to explore new avenues for cooperation within the SCO. We believe that by leveraging our collective strengths, we can create a more integrated and prosperous region. Excellencies, the global economies face significant challenges, and in these uncertain times, it is imperative that the SCO member states demonstrate resilience and solidarity. By working together, we can navigate these challenges, mitigate risks, and emerge stronger. Pakistan stands ready to contribute to and collaborate with all member states to achieve our goals. Let us seize this opportunity to forge stronger partnerships, enhance regional cooperation, and pave the way for a brighter, more prosperous future for all our peoples. Thank you, and I look forward to our fruitful discussions this day. Thank you very much.
इस्लामाबाद
पाकिस्तान अपनी मौशी तरक्की के दौर में दाखिल हो रहा है। जाम कमाल इस वक्त वफाकी वज़ीर तिजारत खिताब कर रहे हैं इजलास से। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान SCO के एजेंडे के लिए पुरअज़्म है। शंघाई ताउन तंजीम के इजलास का इनेकाद हमारे लिए एज़ाज़ की बात है। 23वां ये इजलास है जिसमें पाकिस्तान यहाँ पर सरबराही कर रहा है और वो उसके लिए एज़ाज़ की बात है। पाकिस्तान SCOC के एजेंडे पर भी कायम है और उसके लिए अज़्म का भी इजहार किया। अमन, इस्तेहकाम और खुशहाली किसी भी माशरे की तरक्की का बाइस बनते हैं।